Okay, let's go out on a game called Sound Effects. This is for Colin and Ryan. Colin's going to improvise a scene, and he has to respond to sound effects that are made by Ryan here. Colin, you're a monk. And a monk escapes from his monastery for a night on the town.
Keep those letters coming in.
Oh, hello. Oh,
Well, I'm going to give a point for every time the sheep sound excited me, so 5 points.